Hi, everyone. I'm here at the Roman Bridge in Port Julien, France, an arch bridge built by the Romans that's still standing thousands of years later. Let's read on to figure out just how the Romans did it. Roman engineering. Step outside your door and you'll see a road. Follow the road and you'll reach a city. In the city, you'll find large concrete buildings. 2,000 years ago, Roman engineers were perfecting the techniques that enabled the building of these modern constructions. Our main idea today is that the Romans were skilled engineers who helped transform how things were built. Before the Romans began building their network of roads, travel generally meant following dirt tracks. Rome's first great road was the Appian Way, built in 312 BC. It connected Rome with southern Italy. As the empire expanded, its armies built new roads back to the capital, which is where the saying, "all roads lead to Rome," came from. The army used specialized tools and lots of human power to build roads. Soldiers marked the route, dug foundations, and built up the road with several layers of material. You may remember that we learned yesterday that Roman soldiers had to do a lot of digging. The center of the road was slightly higher than the edges, which helped rain run into drainage ditches. Where possible, the soldiers built the road wide and straight, making marches shorter and easier. Engineers developed special techniques to overcome obstacles. Roads sometimes included bridges over rivers or tunnels through hills. Every mile, a milestone marked the distance to major cities. By CE 300, the Romans had built about 53,000 miles of roads. Arches and aqueducts. Concrete is not usually very interesting, but at the time of Augustus, it transformed construction. The Romans developed a new, stronger type of concrete and used it to build huge freestanding structures like the Colosseum. This large amphitheater was designed to seat 50,000 spectators and was the site of violent entertainment, such as animal fights and gladiator battles. Roman architecture was modeled on Greek architecture, but the use of arches, vaults, and domes created a distinctive Roman style. An arch, or curved structure over an opening, is strong and inexpensive to build. Lengthening an arch creates a vault, and joining a circle of arches at their highest point creates a dome. Long stone channels called aqueducts carried clean water from hilltops into cities and towns. The engineers' precise calculations over long distances ensured a steady flow of water. Rome received about 35 million cubic feet of water every day. It's a lot of water. While most of an aqueduct ran underground, sometimes huge arched bridges were built to carry the water across valleys. Many of these magnificent structures still stand as reminders of Roman engineering ability. Building big and building to last. Critical viewing. The Claudian Aqueduct carried fresh water to Rome from surrounding rivers and lakes. What elements of Roman architecture appear in this structure? Be ready to answer that question. Hope you enjoyed the reading. Talk to you soon. Bye.